did it up good. So this came from, ordered this from Creole Foods of Louisiana. So again, this came from Creole Foods of Louisiana. All the way from the bayou.
What is it?
We're gonna see you soon. We're at the bayou. Woo! But if you ever watch them Swamp People?
Mm-hmm. That's why I know that sauce that you have. You know, that sauce that you got.
Alright, let's see.
Oh my God. Y'all look what it is.
Oh, that's cold.
Can y'all guess what it is?
Let's see. I should have got a better knife. Nice size.
Mm-hmm. It is a alligator, y'all. An alligator. A whole frozen gator. And we're down here in Florida. So decided to go ahead and get it from Louisiana. Look at the head on it. You can't really see too much of it because it's frozen. But, oh my God, I just can't wait. Y'all stay tuned. I can't wait. We're going to defrost it. He's going to season it. And we're going to grill it.
What?
And
then it's going.
Look at the feet. Look at the feet on it. Oh my God, look at the feet.